In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vendor in Zoho Books. This process is essential for managing your business's purchases efficiently and keeping your accounts well organized. Let's dive right in and simplify this task. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you've successfully logged in, take a look at the left sidebar where you'll find the menu options. Navigate to the section titled Purchases. It's your go-to spot for everything related to buying and managing vendors. Once you're in the Purchases section, click on Vendors. This will display a complete list of all your current vendors and give you access to manage them as you see fit. Now, to add a new vendor to your list, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button marked with a plus new. Go ahead and click that button. This action sets up a fresh page where you can enter all the necessary details for your new vendor. Next, you'll be asked to fill in the vendor's details. Start with the vendor name, which is a required field. Make sure the name is entered exactly as you want it to appear on all your records and communications. Following this, you'll need to provide the vendor's email address. This is another mandatory field. Having the correct email ensures that all correspondence and invoicing processes will go smoothly. Setting up these fields accurately is crucial for effective vendor management and maintaining clear communication channels. Beyond those essential details, you'll find a host of additional fields that you can fill in should you need to. These include the billing address. Entering the correct billing address is important for accounting and ensuring all mailed materials reach their intended destination. There's also room for a contact person's information. If your vendor has a specific representative you deal with, this can be a helpful detail to record. Finally, you'll see fields for tax information and other miscellaneous details. Inputting tax information can help with compliance and ease the process of filing returns. Once you've completed entering all the information and you're satisfied everything is correct, the final step is to click the Save button. This will save the vendor's information into your Zoho Books database, making the vendor active and ready for any transactions you may need to record in the future. By saving the vendor, you've completed the process and streamlined your purchasing operations. Always remember that keeping your vendor information up to date is key to smooth business transactions. Whether you're just getting started or maintaining an existing relationship, having the right information at your fingertips makes all the difference. Keep this guide handy and feel free to revisit it whenever you add more vendors into the mix. And that's it. You've successfully added a vendor in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your accounting tasks a bit easier.